What if I told you that doing 100 push-ups every day could completely transform your body, but only if you stop making the mistake that almost everyone makes? Thousands of people start a 100 push-up challenge, hoping for bigger muscles, a stronger chest, and visible results. Yet after weeks of effort, many see almost no transformation at all. So what's the difference between the people who get incredible before and after results and those who stay exactly the same? The answer might surprise you. The truth is, push-ups are one of the most powerful bodyweight exercises ever created. They build your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even improve posture when done correctly. But here's the problem. Most people focus on the number, 100 reps, done, challenge complete. But your muscles don't care about numbers. They care about tension, control, and technique. And if your form is wrong, 100 push-ups a day can become 100 missed opportunities. First, let's talk about the mistakes that destroy results. Mistake number 1, half reps. You know the ones. People barely move a few inches and call it a push-up. Imagine trying to build a house, but only laying half the bricks. Your chest needs a full stretch and full contraction to maximize muscle growth. Mistake number 2, the sagging body. If your hips are dropping towards the floor, your lower back is taking stress that should be handled by your core. Think of your body as a bridge. A strong bridge stays straight under pressure. A weak bridge collapses in the middle. Which one are you building every day? Mistake number 3, rushing through reps. Most people move so fast they're basically bouncing off the floor. That momentum steals work away from the muscles you're trying to train. Now let's build the foundation. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width. Now squeeze your glutes, tighten your abs, and create one straight line from your head to your heels. Push-ups aren't just a chest exercise. They're actually a moving plank. Imagine your body as a skyscraper. Your chest and arms are the workers, but your core is the foundation. As you lower yourself, don't think about dropping towards the floor. Think about pulling yourself down under control. Lower until your chest is close to the ground. Feel the stretch. Pause for just a split second. Then drive the floor away from you. You're not pushing your body up. You're pushing the floor down. The secret isn't simply completing 100 reps, it's making those reps progressively harder over time. Recovery matters. Your muscles grow when they recover from training stress. That's why sleep, nutrition, and consistency matter. Keep your body straight, brace your core, control every rep, use full range of motion, focus on quality over quantity, because 10 perfect push-ups will always beat 100 sloppy ones. The goal isn't just to complete 100 push-ups. The goal is to become the stronger version of yourself that can perform them perfectly. See you in the